Right, yeah, Kev, turn radio down. Right, that normally gets to about, it's cooling down now, it normally gets to about 630 degrees C. There's my pressure before and after the DPF filter. That's how long it was before the last clean. That's how long before my filter was full, which isn't a lot. So I've put some stuff in the tank just to help it. Yeah, obviously power. That is just my engine temperature. This is my EGR valve. So it's shut off at the minute because it doesn't want any excess heat getting or going through the engine, because obviously my exhaust, my DPF filter straight after the what you call it, the manifold, is, well, it was just 500, gets up to 630. So you don't want your EGR sucking more hot air in. You just need to let the engine stay cool, but let the filter warm up and do that job after the, obviously after the engine. So when you see that get down to about 280, what will happen is the EGR valve, you'll see this flicker up. That will go to 0, and that may move, might not move, depending on what happens. What I need to do is go for a run, really, just to blow some of the dust out, some of the ash. But so yeah, it's at 370. It'll keep going down. No, it's quite interesting when you see it do it. I don't know, it's trying to focus actually behind me in the mirror. Let me stick it up, there we go. Oh, there we go, there's the EGR valve. It's doing it a bit early this time. It's normally about 280 when it flicks. So there you go, the EGR valve's now back open. You should see the miles go to 0, because obviously it's 0 miles now since it's done its clean. Just give it a little sec. Bugger off. It will do it, honestly. That's just me revving the engine up. That's why that moved. There we go. There's a flicker. I can see that the miles now is reset to 0. So it's 0 miles since the last clean. That should go up on the next cycle. Well, I'm hoping it will go up because of the stuff in the tank. And that's it. This is the clean for this morning. So yeah, enjoy.